Canadian Tire real estate has never been just a financial asset, it's been a strategic asset. So it's always been the practice of the Canadian Tire portfolio, the core banner, that our preference has been to own real estate. And if you go back to when Walmart and Home Depot came to Canada, we started on what was probably the most ambitious strategy in the company's history. We essentially rebuilt almost the entire chain, and we wouldn't have been able to do that if we had been locked into long-term leases. And if you contrast Zellers, for example, with Canadian Tire, I think the low-cost long-term leases were a financial asset for Zellers. I wouldn't say they were a strategic asset. So for a long time, they were real estate in search of a strategy, as opposed to a strategy in search of real estate. And so you got, what was it, Zeller Select, or this or that or the other thing, and trying to figure out how to make their real estate more productive as opposed to finding productive real estate. So the real estate group at Canadian Tire has been, deeply embedded in developing strategy. David St. Amand, who's here, built a capability in terms of not just market planning, but customer analysis. With the financial services division, we had access to be able to geocode transaction data, and as well, we did our financial analysis. So we're able to enable the business to develop strategies that we can then put on the street. From there, it just was an evolution into corporate strategy. Notwithstanding my earlier comments, still we put more money into bricks and mortar than we do in any other asset class. So real estate, it remains a strategic asset. It remains the largest chunk of CapEx that we invest. And the other thing that I would say is just in a retail environment, the retailers, it's retail is detail, as Jim has said, and it's like, well, what's happening today? Today we will not be selling snow blowers. That's what people will be talking about. What the next 10 or 20 years looks like, what the competitive set looks like, that's actually what the real estate group brings to the party. So we're the ones who are looking at it long term in terms of where the growth is in the country, what's happening from an urban planning perspective, what's happening to built form. So we bring that strategic element to the party, and that's sort of how we look at grouping